Garmin watches are known for their GPS accuracy, durability, and health monitoring features, but many users face battery issues where the watch won't hold a charge. This video explains the common reasons why this happens. The main problem is that your Garmin watch battery drains faster than it used to. Common symptoms include rapid power loss, failure to charge properly, or the watch not powering on after just a short period of use. The first common cause is battery degradation. Garmin watches use lithium-ion batteries that naturally lose capacity over time, especially in models from the 2010s. This means the battery holds less charge, leading to faster drain. Second, software glitches can be the culprit. Firmware bugs or apps running in the background may drain the battery faster. Garmin frequently releases updates to address these power management issues. Third, extreme usage patterns affect battery life. Constant use of power-intensive features such as GPS tracking, continuous heart rate monitoring, or frequent smart notifications can rapidly deplete the charge. Finally, hardware wear can be the issue. Physical damage to the watch, loose charging connections, or corrosion from water exposure in models like the Phoenix can prevent the battery from holding or receiving a charge properly. Garmin watches use rechargeable lithium-ion or lithium polymer batteries. These batteries are typically rated for 300 to 500 charge cycles, which translates to about 2 to 4 years with daily use. Degradation occurs naturally due to electrolyte breakdown, which reduces the battery's capacity. Factors like overcharging, deep discharges, and exposure to extreme temperatures can accelerate this wear. As of February 2026, Garmin has addressed many complaints through firmware updates and user education. But battery replacement remains a common solution. Before assuming a hardware problem with your Garmin watch battery, always check for software issues first. Ensure your Garmin watch has the latest firmware updates. Garmin released major updates for models like the Phoenix 7, Epix 2, and Venu 3 series in late 2024 and early 2025. These patches optimize power management by reducing background app activity and improving GPS efficiency. Also, review your settings to minimize battery drain. Turn off unnecessary features like constant heart rate monitoring or excessive smart notifications if you don't need them. The 2025 update addressed a bug causing excessive battery drain in smart notifications, resolving complaints from over 15% of users reporting issues post-2023, based on Garmin's Q4 2025 support data. Try a simple restart first. Power off your watch and then turn it back on. If that doesn't help, perform a soft reset by holding the power button for 15 to 30 seconds. If the problem persists, consider a factory reset via Garmin Connect. Note that this will erase your data, so back up your watch if possible. As of 2024 for select models like Phoenix 7 Pro and Epix Pro, Garmin Connect app now includes a battery health feature that estimates remaining capacity and alerts users to replace batteries before failure. This has reduced premature replacements by 20% per Garmin's 2025 annual report. Your usage habits significantly impact battery life. Activities that use GPS heavily, like running or cycling, will drain the battery faster. Cycling and other GPS tracking activities also consume significant power. Frequent use of features like music playback, heart rate monitoring, and backlight also contributes to quicker depletion. Consider adjusting your activity settings to optimize battery life. For example, reduce the frequency of GPS recording or disable Bluetooth when not needed. Battery life is measured in modes, such as 10 days GPS versus 30 days watch only, but overuse depletes it faster. When troubleshooting battery issues, inspect your Garmin watch for physical damage. Focus on the charging port area first, as this is a common point of failure. Look closely at the charging port for any cracks, bent pins, or debris that could prevent proper charging. Physical damage here can interrupt the power connection. Check for signs of corrosion, which appears as green or white residue on metal parts. Water ingress is particularly common if you use your watch for swimming activities. Water damage can corrode internal components, leading to increased battery drain as the watch struggles to maintain proper electrical connections. If you suspect water damage, dry the watch thoroughly using a soft cloth and allow it to air dry completely before attempting to charge it. For thorough inspection and potential repair, consider taking your watch to a professional service center where technicians can assess internal damage and perform necessary fixes. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Garmin watch's battery issues, it's time to consider professional help. Certified technicians can safely replace the battery using proper tools and maintain your warranty coverage. Reach out to Garmin customer support or visit an authorized repair center. These professionals have the expertise and equipment to diagnose and fix battery problems without risking further damage to your device. Attempting a do-it-yourself battery replacement can be dangerous, potentially causing injury or permanent device damage, and it will void your manufacturer's warranty. Always opt for professional service instead. Professional battery replacement services typically range from $50 to $150, depending on your watch model and location. This cost includes labor, parts, and quality assurance. Keep in mind that Garmin warranties cover manufacturing defects for up to 2 years from the purchase date. If your battery fails within this period due to a defect, repair may be covered at no additional cost. The future of wearable battery technology looks promising, with significant improvements on the horizon for Garmin watches. Expect extended battery life through better chipsets and software optimization, allowing watches to last longer between charges. Solar-assisted charging, already available in some models, will become more common. Garmin's Fenix 7 Solar, debuted in 2021, now features in 60% of new models, adding 1-2 days per full sun exposure. Garmin is also exploring eco-friendly batteries, focusing on more sustainable materials and construction for reduced environmental impact. Garmin is developing AI-driven power management systems that will learn user habits and optimize battery usage for even greater efficiency. By 2030, expect fully self-sustaining watches through advanced solar and kinetic energy harvesting, eliminating the need for traditional charging in many scenarios.